friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the A-flat minor arpeggio. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching my video, and if you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. First off, we're going to look at the right hand letter names for the 1 octave A-flat minor arpeggio. They are as follows: A-flat, C-flat, E-flat, A-flat. Back down, A-flat, E-flat, C-flat, A-flat. The finger numbers are 2, 1, 2, 4. Back down, 4, 2, 1, 2. Let's take a look at the fingering for the left hand. The letter names are the same, so I'm just going to go over the finger numbers, which are 2, 1, cross your 4, 2. Back down, that's 2, 4, tuck your thumb, 2. All right, let's put hands together. Looks like this: A-flat, C-flat, E-flat, A-flat, back down, A-flat, E-flat, C-flat, A-flat. Let's take a look at the right hand 2 octaves. The letters are the same, so I'm just going to go over the fingering, which is 2, 1, 2, 4. When we get here, we're going to take our thumb and tuck it under to the C flat. So 1, 2, 4. Back down, 4, 2, 1. Cross your 4, 2, 1, 2. Let's check out the left hand. It is 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2. Back down, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Let's put hands together. This is how it goes: A-flat, C-flat, E-flat, A-flat, C-flat, E-flat, A-flat. Back down, A-flat, E-flat, C-flat, A-flat, E-flat, C-flat, A-flat. There you go. That is how you play the A-flat minor 2 octave arpeggio. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. It really helps out my channel a lot. I do appreciate it, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.